Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the GVM TQM Teleprompter for your iPad, tablet and smartphone with Bluetooth app control. Of course, you can attach nearly every camera system in it. No prop for this device. For senior photography enthusiasts, it can solve the problem of forgetting words and wrong words in live broadcast or studio photography and YouTube video shootings, which is making the broadcast more relaxed and natural. For this, our teleprompter is really awesome, and the teleprompter is used all over the world. Really, a teleprompter, also known as an auto cue, is a display device that prompts the person speaking with an electronic visual text of a speech or script. Using a teleprompter is similar to using cue cards. The screen is in front of you and usually below the lens of a professional video camera. And the words on the screen are reflected to the eyes of the presenter using a sheet of clear glass or other beam splitter, so that they are read by looking directly at the lens position, but are not imaged by the lens. The light from the performer passes through the front side of the glass into the lens, while the shroud surrounding the lens and the back side of the glass prevent unwanted light from entering the lens. Mechanically, this works in a very similar way to the Pepper's Ghost illusion from classic theater, an image viewable from one angle but not another. It is used from all photograph and video makers all over the world, and it is made out of aluminum alloy based and bracket. This here is equipped with a 1/4 and 3/8 screw. We can install it on our tripods. Besides the quarter or the 3/8 screw holes on the bottom, we can install DSLR cameras, digital cameras, TV machines, and of course smartphones, no problem. The mirror screen can reflect the content displayed on the tablet or mobile phone. When shooting, we can see the content of the tablet or the mobile phone in the mirror screen. When we're using the GVM Teleprompter app on our phone, we can set the content from the size, the playback speed, the background color, and whatever to mirror the prompt. Moreover, we can use the Bluetooth controller. They provide to control the text playback by start and pause. When using the app to play the text, we have a tripod mount mobile teleprompter here, the TQM teleprompter, with iPad, smartphone, and can install DSLR, camcorder or digital cameras, DV machines, etc. It supports up to 10.5 inches tablets, designed for small to the middle-sized cameras. It adopts solid aluminum construction, is strong and sturdy. It's applied to 1/4, 20 and 3/8 16 tripod mount threads. And there, if you are a video maker, you will have this, or of course you can buy it. But this is an industry-leading standard, and it's easy to use without assembly. And we have a remote control for iOS and Android, the GVM prompting app with adjustable font size, the teleprompter kit, adjustable playback speed and background color, the Bluetooth remote control with scroll speed and scroll start-stop control. And it supports up to 10 inches tablets and iPhones, all kind of phones, okay? The teleprompter mirror plane adopts a colorless beam splitter, and the surface is a multi-layer dielectric coating. This is a hard film. No light loss, so they're equipped with various high-definition lenses, ultra-wide viewing angle, design. The prompter document display is clear and is not ghosting. And that's right, it looks really brilliant. And we have an iOS or an Android prompting app. The teleprompter features with standard beam splitters allows us to clearly read scrolling text while looking directly into the cam. It's perfect for vlogging, YouTube live broadcast, and online class, video recording, interviews, video studios, news, and presentations. We not need longer recite the script. Oh yeah. This tripod mount for mobile teleprompter with remote control, and it supports up to 10 inches of tablets and phones. You can use an iOS or Android app for it, if you like. You will get the GVM Teleprompter TQM, that means the teleprompter base, a mirror screen, a camera stand, a tablet clip, an phone clip, a light shield, an hexagon wrench, 1/4 screw and 1/3/8 screw, a Bluetooth remote control, and then you're ready to make your broadcast more professional as before, because you're going to use an auto cue, because that's awesome. Because the speaker can look straight at the lens while reading the script, the teleprompter creates the illusion that the speaker has memorized the speech or is speaking spontaneously. It's looking directly into camera lens. Notes or cue cards, on the other hand, requires the presenter to look at them instead of at the lens, which leaves an impression of discretion. The technology has continued to develop from the first mechanical paper roll teleprompters used by the television presenters and speakers at the United States political conversation in 1952 to dual glass teleprompter used by television presenters and for U.S. government in 1964, to the computer-based rolls of 1982 and the four-prompter system for U.S. government, which added a large stage confidence monitor and inside Lectern monitor in 1996, to the replacement of glass teleprompter at UK, the political conferences by several large offstage confidential monitors in 2006. You can see this technology is nice because it is a nice and good technology. The teleprompter in the United States and the AutoCue in Commonwealth and some European countries were originally trade names, but have become generalized trademarks used for any such display devices like here. And so you can see what your script should be. This is the really awesome GVM TQM teleprompter for your iPad, your tablet, and your smartphone. You will need, of course, the tablet. You will need the tripod. You will need a DSLR camera, for example, or you can handle this by using your smartphone too. And then you can install it easy, as you can see. The only thing is you have to attach everything, and then you can go forward to make a professional video production by using the GVM TQM teleprompter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.